Hi guys, it's Nigel and welcome to my Scroll and Profit review video. So Scroll and Profit is a new software that enables you to make money just by scrolling through different sites on your mobile phone, and how you can make up to $691 a week by piggybacking the success of others. So if that's something you think you're interested in, then please stay with me, because I'll be going through into the members area, showing you in there, going over the sales page, and going through all the pricing, of course. But before I do that, I just wanted to talk through some of the bonuses. So if you do decide to go ahead with it and you buy it via my link, I will give you all these bonuses as well, which I'll just talk through now. Jono is my mentor. So between myself, him, and the vendor, we've got some really cool bonuses to give away. So the first one, you can access Jono's YouTube ads course. The second one, these are all kind of linked into Scroll and Profit anyway as well. You can learn how to master ClickBank, second tutorial. The third one is how to legally use other people's videos, so that's all about YouTube and stuff. And number 4 is how to make an email capture. So 4 pretty great cool tutorials there. And number 5 is all the vendor bonuses, which I'll just go through those now for you because they're pretty cool as well. Here we are. So if you act now before the timer on my bonus page reaches 0, you get all these 5 vendor bonuses worth nearly 10 grand as well. And you access my bonus page just by clicking on the link below the video, and that'll give you a summary of everything I'm saying to you now. So if you want to skip ahead or you just get bored of me, then just click the link and it'll take you through to my bonus page. So, but the vendor bonuses as well that he's giving away are: number 1, the Royal bonus, $0 to $1,000 a day in 30 days, a live training. In this never seen before live training session, he'll be walking you through the exact system he's been using to generate over $1,000 a day in net profit. The Royal Bonus 2 is Passive Income System add-on. The passive income system shows you how we make money passively while we laze around using Scroll and Profit. That's nearly 2 grand's worth. Royal bonus number 3 is $1 million with affiliate offers. So they'll show you step by step in the bonus training how they've generated more than $1 million with affiliate offers. It looks as though all these are worth 2 grand each. Yeah, and Royal bonus number 4 is the Scroll and Profit ATM. So you'll also get a commercial license and a done-for-you website. So you can tap into the lucrative traffic selling industry and sell traffic to others for $100 to $500 a pop. And the fifth Royal bonus is 10 times your money back as quick as today. So they're including secret ninja tactics, which will allow you to potentially 10 times your Scroll and Profit investment back today. So you get all those 5 bonuses plus the 4 that I've just mentioned, and that's all for $22 for the front end price. I think you'll agree, all the bonuses, those 9 bonuses, plus of course the Scroll and Profit software itself, it's at $22. It's a steal, really. And you don't there are some upgrades in it, but you will get all the bonuses even if you just get the $22 standard deal. So I'll now show you inside the members area. Here you can see there's quite a lot of stuff in here. You've got your training at the top, then your dashboard, your affiliate marketplace, money making pages, link cloaking, you can import your accounts, Facebook, you can do a social blast. I think this has got pretty much all of them here. I'm not that up on social media, but I think it's got, if that's not all of them, then I think it's most of them anyway. So yeah, obviously I don't recognise half, well, more than half of those, but you may do. Then you've got your automated blog, meta tags, messenger, WooCommerce, a done-for-you e-com store, and you've got an email marketing section, an SMS marketing section. You can compare some offers, and you've got your support desk at the end. So that's the members area, guys. I'll now talk you through the pricing. So yes, the pricing, I think I mentioned that the front end is $22, and with that, so you get your scroll and profit software and all the training modules, and plus all those 9 bonuses, you get all those included as well. Now there are 5 upsells, which they'll go, I didn't get those myself, I just wanted to see the you know, the main menu. But as you can see, they range from $200 down to $47, and you'll be offered those if you get the front end. You know, it'll go through and offer you these upgrades and what each of them does. So I'll just talk through now some key benefits that you might be interested in getting. You don't have to do any actual work. You make other people do all the work for you. It's new, with unique software and training. It's 100% newbie friendly, yet equally powerful for advanced marketers. It's proven profitable over and over, and it works in any niche, and you can get started right away, and all the traffic is built in. And of course it's covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. If you click the link below the video, it'll head you straight through to my bonus page where there's this demo of the product as well. I won't play it now because it might be a bit tricky with me recording the screen as well. But there's no commitment, just reading through my bonus page, and then you can watch the demo. And then if you want to, you know, you can visit the sales page and go through everything there. I'll just confirm something, guys. Once you, if and when you do buy it, it'll take you through to your Warrior Plus, and the green button here is access your purchase, like it says, and to access the my 4 unique bonuses, exclusive bonuses, you just click on this blue access affiliate bonus button, which is below there, and that'll give you access to everything you can see on the bonus page. Okay guys, I think that's it again for me on this one. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click the link below the video to go through to my bonus page, and it'll give you a quick summary of everything I've said. Again, thank you very much for watching. Cheers, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.